Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best tools and products to elevate your daily routines. Today, we're talking about what we believe are the best bath bomb labels available on the market. The Bath Bomb Labels Stickers, 2 inches waterproof by Yuntop. If you're crafting bath bombs for personal use, gifts, or to sell, these labels are going to take your presentation to the next level. Let's start with the basics. When you're working on bath bomb packaging, especially if you're making them as part of a business or a gifting project, the little details matter, and that includes the label. These bath bomb stickers come in a pack of 300, giving you plenty of stock to work with for large batches. Each sticker measures 2 inches in diameter, which is the perfect size to sit right on top or the bottom of most standard bath bombs. What sets these apart is the waterproof material. Bath products live in steamy, wet environments, and the last thing you want is your label peeling off, smudging, or losing its aesthetic appeal. These stickers hold up under moisture, meaning your bath bombs will continue to look professional and polished even in humid conditions or during transportation. That's a huge plus for anyone selling these at craft fairs or shipping them out to customers. Now, as far as the design is concerned, they're not just practical, they're pretty, too. The set includes an assortment of elegant and eye-catching designs that add a handmade, artisanal vibe to your packaging. Whether you're going for a rustic, minimalist, or luxurious look, there's likely a label in this pack to match your branding or personal style. They work well for gifting too. Birthdays, holidays, thank you gifts. These labels complete the presentation without the need for extra effort. Using them is incredibly simple. Just peel and stick. No glue, no additional steps. They adhere securely to paper wraps, shrink wraps, jars, plastic, and more. This kind of versatility means you can use them not only on bath bombs but also on jars of bath salts, lotion bars, or any other spa products you're creating. Another important factor is the value. Getting 300 stickers in one purchase gives you both flexibility and cost efficiency. Whether you're making small batches occasionally or producing in bulk for business, you'll have a reliable supply on hand. And because they're high quality, you're not sacrificing durability or design. To wrap this up, the Bath Bomb Labels stickers from Yuntop are more than just stickers. They're a packaging upgrade. They make your products look polished, protect your brand identity, and ensure every bath bomb you give or sell looks its absolute best. If you're taking your bath bomb game seriously, these are a must-have addition to your toolkit. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more product breakdowns and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.